is a beautiful day in Calgary right now. So we're gonna take advantage and play around in the sun. I know for a fact one of our tires are deflating. Got our snacklets and water, of course. First of all, this thing needs a new battery, so we're gonna go pick that up. And we're thinking of opening the store, night hours I guess, and just do work at the store. We'll bring our laptop, we'll bring Shane's computer there, and yeah, probably just chill. So I mean, I know this video is gonna be late, but if you guys are in Calgary and want to come shoot the shit with us, the store will be open to public a lot more often now. So this looks pretty low, but it should be okay. Yeah, if you guys are wondering how the exhaust is holding up, it's still on there. Guys, we'll talk about that later. It looks like the Mazda needs a new wash. See, that's the thing about our city, they just pour gravel and salt on our streets, so it is a good idea to get a car wash every so often. Okay, see you guys at the garage. Hear ye, baker's men. We got our first customer. Say hi to the vlogs. So for the past couple of days that we have opened, we haven't really advertised it to people, but surprisingly people have actually come by. And yesterday, because my MX3 wasn't starting, we couldn't really come to the store. People managed to find our house, came by and actually bought merch at our personal house. You guys want to come by the store, it is open. It's just we haven't really specified a set schedule for this place yet. It'll come soon, though, promise. The only way you guys will know if we're open or not is if we advertise it on our social media, mainly Instagram. Just follow us on there and that's how you'll keep up to date. Okay, we're here to do some computer works, okay? So we're just gonna set up, makeshift little studio here. We're just gonna set up and do some graphics and work on the website a little bit. Bora!
Go fetch yourself some fucking coffee, asshole.
Whoa. Working on my next vlog. Got Shane learning up on some Photoshops. Oh, thanks, man. Oh, sweet.
I couldn't find them anymore because I sold one and one got written off.
Oh, this is dope, dude.
Dirty as fuck right there. I've got Koenigs for summer on this one.
Yeah, sick, dude. And that's what I have on right now.
And the muffler actually got, I just had the car impounded on Tuesday, actually.
What?
I was driving downtown, 6 in the morning, cop lit me up, said I was making too much noise.
Really?
So when I got the car out, I took it home and I had some washers.
Yeah.
Like the big ones for like scaffolding.
Yeah.
And they fit right over the hole, so I just welded them on and then grinded it and painted it. I actually, on my project one, I'm doing a full tube chassis on the front end.
Yeah.
Right? And I had the headlight assembly.
Oh, that would have worked. Yeah, I know, right? That would have
posted on your video. I'm like, you know, DM me, you know, like a contact number, and I'm like, I held onto the piece for about a month.
Oh shit, really?
I know you were saying you were thinking about Sonda, but if you end up wanting to keep it as just a beater, I can help you like weld up a new piece on that, because I got a welder and shit.
Definitely. So. We tried our best to just hammer
I saw you guys just reef it on. Busted out the heat gun, I was like, ugh.
I should look at my messages more often.
All you would have to do, pull the fender, pull the headlight back out, get in there with a hammer, dolly, and try and bang it back up. With this and this out of the way, you can actually get under there and just give it a couple good hits. Once you get that flat again, just drill a hole in it, just rivet it.
Good idea.
And then yeah, you said you were having problems with the disty, and I'm like, fuck, I have like 6 distributors at home. Damn. No word of a lie. I was trying to help you out, man. I was like, you probably get like a million messages.
I'm learning on this vehicle, so for sure,
The thing that always blows everyone's mind is when you tell them it's a V6, but it's only a 1.8.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
It's like super small V6.
This one I picked up for $1,000 in power.
Right on, man.
But yeah, this is the beater.
Clean, right? Yeah.
I just kind of half-ass the intake on it. The thing with these, you have to keep the mass airflow completely horizontal, because the plunger style, it weighs so much. If you get it any angle, like yours has a bit of angle, it can actually throw off your air-fuel ratio on these. What a lot of guys do is they actually relocate this where this is sitting, and then they funnel this down into that pocket. It's all waterproof in there. A couple little small holes where it can bring in cold air, and that's about it. When I was looking for something, and I don't remember what it was, and this popped up, and I was like, oh cool, another MX owner in Calgary, and then I saw your FRS, and I was just like, god damn. The
person we just met named Nick, he has a small little shop here, and he's building his own 400 horsepower MX3. I actually want to get some footage of his car with my car. It's rare for me to meet other MX3 owners in the city, okay?
Log into ASMR for me.
Shane brought his entire computer to the store. Yeah, it's like only 10 minutes at a time. And I'm over here working on my next video. Really? Oh, is there a subwoofer in there? What? Of course. Damn. Yeah, I heard the bass earlier.
Much faster than more. So much faster than more. Little girls,
Fit or?
Well, no, the RS was the 4-bank. V6s either came with, these are called the Canadian wraparound spoilers.
Yeah.
Only the Canadian ones came with the one that came all the way down. The Americans only got to there.
Yeah.
And then there was an RS wing, which, if you look on my white one,
Yeah.
is the slightly raised one. And then all the base models, the RS, the 4 cylinders, came with just the garnish. And then there's the, I'm sure you've seen on eBay, the combat wing. It's garnish, which I want. Has a little lip on it. There's
Yeah.
these ones. You can get the clear ones.
Yeah, I've seen those too.
Order
Yeah.
ones for the autos.
Really? And they
They
fit?
swap right in.
The Vader bumper doesn't have any space for
I
it.
noticed that, and I like where you mounted your
It was the-
signals.
yeah.
I was like, ooh, whatever works, right? These little tabs,
Yeah.
the fact that they're still intact makes us coveted parts.
Oh.
The little tabs that snap in
Yeah.
break all the time.
Yeah, really?
So all the MX3 guys, like
Yeah.
I'm on the, there's a forum for them and everything, right? All the MX3 guys go
Don't
nuts.
look at
Yeah,
really?
something simple like that, they're like, oh my god! You can
Serious?
get,
Yeah,
you can
that's
get the JDM ones
Yeah.
that come down like this, it's all one piece, and they had 6x9s in them. Whereas these only have little 4-inch speakers. So anyways, you undo these 2 screws, and then did you ever play that golf game? Where
Oh,
it's
you
got the
roll
little,
it.
the
Yeah,
little white
yeah,
ball
exactly.
and you-
Yeah.
So same thing, you have to hit this to get it to pop sideways to get out. That's the only way to get them off. The whole thing comes out and
Nick, pleasure, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thanks for meeting. Yeah,
And
yeah.
like I said, if you ever got any questions or anything, like, hey, do you know how to do this, or if you've ever
Sounds good, man. Have a good night, man. You guys should see his other MX-3, man. I'm excited for that thing. He's planning on doing a 2.5 KLZE engine conversion on the super custom MX-3 that he has sitting in his garage. If you guys want to follow him in his MX-3 build, I'll put a link to his Instagram in the description box. Surprise, surprise, we're working on the MX-3 again today. Just a couple of maintenance things. We ended up picking up a new battery for this thing, which is ironic that I replaced the battery on this old car before a new battery for the FRS. That's gonna happen too. And I know you guys are waiting for videos on this car, but I promise that'll come in time. For now, a little TLC on the MX-3. And we should be golden. We're also gonna try to figure out how to adjust this hood latch, finally. See if we can get this hood to close shut. All right, we're gonna give this a shot. We decided we're just gonna shorten the length of this latch part. We're gonna cut it off completely, drill a couple of holes, and we ended up picking these up at Canadian Tire, which is actually the exact same size. So we'll figure out a way to put this through here. Minutes of discussion. This is the solution we came up with. So we're cutting off like a couple of centimeters. Yeah, all the way. Damn. Ooh. All right, so guys, here's our makeshift latch. New battery, good to go. Here's the old battery.
It's the cleanest part of the car right now.
So for any other MX-3 owners out there, there's a trick to getting your taillights out. So just take your Phillips. And I know my car's kind of dirt. Once you've taken the bracket out, there's this screw. So there's a trick to getting these out, but fuck, dude. I have no idea what I cut myself on. It's fucking deep, dude. So there's a little tab right here. All you have to do is palm this and pull down, and there you are. Figure out what lights aren't working back here. It's this one. And at the front, so the LEDs are working, that's cool. So it only turns on when the car's on. So the 9004 bulbs, these are for stock MX-3 headlight. Forgot this one already had the HID conversion done to it. So all we have to replace is the bulb that isn't working. There are a few in Shane's toolbox. Thank you, Shane. Perfect. It's best not to touch the light bulbs with your fingertips. This one's broken anyway, so it's all good. The bulb size for the taillight bulbs are 1157. Yeah. All right, Goots. Last customer of the night. Yeah. Peace out, man. Have a good one. Peace. Peace. All right. We're finishing up at the garage. I'm gonna pack up my stuff and then we're just gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys at the home studio base. I'll show you guys what we've been working on. Boom. Made a quick stop at McDick's for efficiency. Me and Shane are probably just gonna watch Netflix and game it up for the rest of the night. I do have orders to catch up on, but first of all, we can't send out any of the stickers that are going to the US because we're out of US stamps. So I have to pick those up in the morning. But for the rest of the night, gonna eat our McDonald's, sit down, watch ourselves an episode of Scream. We actually got addicted to that Netflix series. It's pretty okay. Actually, it's not bad. For the rest of the night, just gonna chill out. My 2018 New Year's resolution, I'm gonna get fat this year. I'm not gonna be able to fit any of my old clothes. That is my plan. Ooh! Press, please. Thank you, sir.
What?
Oh yeah, that bitch died. Wilson. The series isn't bad, guys. If you're a Netflix binge watcher, Scream. Yo, she's definitely the killer. Yeah. Alright, so before I end this video, I did promise you guys that I would show you a sneak preview of things we've been working on behind the scenes. So here's a small glimpse. So check this out. Today I got some images of the prototypes of the third version of our staple green Midnight Kids hoodie, and it looks crazy. So in this version, as you can see, there are thumb holes in the sleeves, which is a detail I really wanted to have on this third iteration. The hood size is a little larger than our previous hoodies. This version combines its predecessors. So on the back it's going to say Midnight Kids, and on the sleeves it's going to have the crowns. Now I don't want to go into too many details of what's going to be on our upcoming wave drop, but what I can tell you is that most of the merch that we're coming out with are going to be new items and things we've never had on the store before. So look forward to it. If you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.